What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off raise to wake to save battery in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, click on motions and gestures, and here you will see a lift to wake button. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this lift to wake button, the raise to wake will be disabled. So that's how you can turn off raise to wake to save battery in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.